Hi everyone, I'm Yong and this is Project Housemates. So Project Housemate is inspired by the will to help our senior, which is an international student, but yet he was unable to secure a stay in NUS. So Housemates is a place where tenants can come over to find for partners to stay with, or they can find for accommodation, whereas it also acts as a platform for people who want to rent out their houses. Just to give a brief background for Project Housemates, it is designed using four main frameworks, namely Django REST framework for its backend and React Redux for its front end. Whereas for the in-house chat application, we utilize Django channels for its backend. Other than that, we also use a very popular React UI framework called Material UI, which implements the Google Material design, and this ensures that we have a minimalistic yet aesthetic user interface throughout our whole website. Now that I already have an account, I will just log in straight away. So just to show you a little bit about our implementation, if I were to leave the password blank and hit login, you can see that we have the error prevention implemented. So this can't be login. So if I type a wrong password instead, you can see that there's this alert message that will notify the user that there's something wrong over here. Okay, so that users can recognize what they have done wrong. Okay, let me just log in straight away. And once logged in, if you are a newly registered user, you'll be greeted by this user guide. So this user guide will be a step-by-step approach on how to navigate our website. And let me just briefly go through it. Okay, so hit done and we are all set up. So at first glance, this is the very first page that users will be redirected to, and you can see that users can configure their profile settings. So in this case, you can change your profile picture or even add a bio to briefly describe yourself. We also enable flexibilities for the users such that they can change their password if they want to, or they can even delete their account. Okay, so leaving the settings aside, you can see that in our second row, there are three tabs over here. And what they do is that they provide an overview of all the other features in our website.
In the user dashboard, we can navigate to the roommate dashboard via the site navigation bar. As you can see, there is no need to memorize the icons, as you can hover over the site navigation to view the different tabs, or permanently open it if you wish. To create a post, there is this post button at the bottom right corner, which follows real-world convention. Now let me quickly fill out the form. Note that I am not able to proceed without completely filling out the form. This is to prevent submitting forms with empty fields. During submission, there is this loading spinner to inform users of the status when the form is being submitted. Upon submission, our matching algorithm will be run to calculate an average score for each other existing post against our newly created post. For easy reference, we can view our top 3 roommates at the user dashboard here. And of course, we can edit and delete our posts. Also, there is this confirmation when we are trying to delete a post, so we need not to worry about accidentally deleting our post. Similarly, for the housing dashboard, we can create, edit, and delete our posts. In addition to the basic functionalities, we can star and unstar housing posts. And the star housings will be listed here at the user dashboard. Now back to the roommate dashboard, we can search posts by keywords. Let's try introvert. Note that we can press the escape key to cancel search. Also, we can filter our posts by applying this by post filter.
Okay, so now you must be thinking, how then should I contact the other person? Okay, that's very easy. If you are in the roommate dashboard, just head over to any of the posts and you can find this chat icon over here. Similarly, if you are in the housing dashboard, click on the post and there's this chat button over here. So if I click on it, I can use it as any other chat application out there as such. Okay, it works. And if I were to send myself another message, you can see that there's this notification in my site navigation bar, as well as in my user dashboard. Okay. Other than that, users are also free to change the theme of the website, meaning they can change it to dark mode or back to light mode. Okay, so that concludes the short tour of our website. If you find yourself ever needing the user guide again, just head over to our user dashboard and it is located over here. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you everyone and see you again.